The first problem is already very relevant in American companies: outsourcing. Some companies find the option of moving their production outside of the US borders in order to pay their workers less, allowing them to produce more for cheaper and provide more profit for themselves. If the minimum wage in America increases, there's a high chance more companies will turn to outsourcing, removing more jobs from the nation and increasing minimum wage. If American companies begin outsourcing even more, our nation's GDP will drop because of it. The GDP drops because less products are being made in the US as well as less people are purchasing them. This juxtaposition between increasing the standards of living in the US or lowering its GDP are cause for alarm. If we can assume that companies that are providing American jobs, then increasing that minimum wage would be less of a problem. But even if we can assure these jobs staying in borders, there's no sure way raising the minimum wage will increase unemployment. With more companies and businesses needing to pay their employees more money, they could start laying off workers in order to keep production costs down. This action would again negate the hope of raising the standard of living in America, as well as potentially causing an increase to inflation rates. Keep the same businesses and companies that have to lay off workers to keep production costs low and add in them increasing prices in order to make a profit. These actions alone would completely remove any benefit from raising the minimum.